This video will demonstrate the major improvements in integrated version 13 programs by breaking them up into geometry, physics, and general enhancements. Geometry. In all our 2D programs, geometry can be selected by drawing a straight line through everything you want to select. Physics. Hysteresis simulation in 2D magnetic programs. In all our 2D programs, material profile can be updated with hysteresis characteristics now. Hysteresis can be enabled in a simulation from the Material Manager window by selecting permeability as parameter and hysteresis as type. Perfect shielding boundary conditions in magnetic programs. Magnetic boundary conditions have 3 different boundary conditions: exterior boundary, perfect shield, insulation boundary. Perfect shielding prevents magnetic flux from crossing the assigned boundary, effectively simulating a magnetic shield. Perfect insulating prevents electrical conduction. When applied between 2 conductors, it ensures no current flows across the boundary. Defining symmetry and periodicity in multiphysics programs. For multiphysics definitions, users can now define the symmetry and periodic conditions individually for each physics, or can link them, so all physics modes use the same symmetric/periodic condition and the same periodic boundary conditions. In that case, you only need to make this definition once. Enhancements in Lorentz emitter. Emitter definition in Lorentz is enhanced to support non-uniform distributions of kinetic values and directions, including energy, velocity, and thermal types. There are added capabilities for secondary or perturbation kinetic value and direction distribution. Emitter launch site generation now supports mesh, grid, and discrete point distribution. Also, there is an enhanced bunch emitter time distribution to support both discrete and continuous time settings. Improvements in Lorentz calculations. There is now improvement in the accuracy of computed values on sampling planes or surfaces using higher-order interpolation methods. General enhancements. Automatic view limits. Users can now choose between manual and automatic view limits. With the automatic option, the view limits of a model will be automatically adjusted when the geometry changes. There is also a user setting. The user setting works the same way that the old view limits used to. The user defines the minimum and maximum coordinates of the viewing box. MP4 support for animation. Animations can now be saved as MP4 files for better compatibility with Windows 11. Material Manager in Model Tree. You can access Material Manager from Model Tree now.